Hello friends, welcome to another Hack Tip. Today I am back with another interesting video. In this video, I gonna show you how to use your Android phone camera as a webcam in Windows PC. You can record video or capture photo from your Windows PC using your Android phone camera. So guys, let's start. Firstly, we have to download IP webcam in your Windows PC and also in Android phone. Okay, first I will download IP webcam in Windows PC. Okay, open the link from the description. Okay, now download IP camera adapter from here. Okay, after download, simply install it. Alright, now I will download IP webcam in my Android phone. Open the Play Store and find IP webcam. Okay, here is it. Now simply install it. After installed, simply open IP webcam and now go to bottom and click here to start server. It will open your phone camera and you can see IP address and port number. Okay, now we have to configure IP camera adapter in Windows PC. Simply open configure IP camera adapter from start menu. Okay, type here in camera fit URL your IP address and port number from Android IP webcam and click OK. Now open any browser and type https your IP address and port number from Android IP webcam and press enter. Alright, now we are in webcam control page. From here we can control Android phone camera as a webcam. Okay, select JavaScript or browser in video record option and you can see my phone camera in here as a webcam. From here I can switch to full screen. We can also hear audio of my camera. From here we can switch front camera or back camera. In photos section you can capture photo and there are more features. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.